फ्रेंड्स, क्वेश्चंस हैं कुछ गेट से रिलेटेड, कुछ हम क्वेश्चंस करेंगे तो रिवीजन है, ठीक है। इन अ सीरीज RLC circuit, if R, L and C are doubled, then bandwidth of the circuit will be C. If you have this circuit R, L and C, this is R, this is L, this is C, right? This is the voltage across R, this is the voltage across L, this is the voltage across C, right? Now what you are doing, you are applying a voltage, AC voltage, okay. This is V equal to V naught sine omega t. This is the current, right? This is the current, and it is going and it is just coming out of the circuit. Now you know that bandwidth of a series RLC circuit is what? It is FR upon Q, resonant frequency upon quality factor. This resonant frequency is 1 upon 2 pi under root LC. Right? What is the resonance? Where the voltage and the current are in same phase. Now, what is Q? Quality factor. It is the measurement of the selectivity of the circuit. Okay. Now this is 2. Q is equal to XL upon R in series. Okay. That means it is omega L upon R. That means it is 2 pi FL upon R. So bandwidth will be how much it is? Putting the value of the FR and Q, what you have? You will have R upon L, the bandwidth of the series RLC circuit. Now what you have given, if RLC are doubled, if R2 is equal to twice R1, if L2 is equal to twice of L1, if C2 is equal to twice of C1, then bandwidth of one, bandwidth of 2 will be what it is? It is R2 upon L2. That means it will be twice R1 upon twice L1. That means it will be R1 upon L1. That means in a series RLC circuit, if R and C are doubled, then bandwidth of the circuit will be same. That means the first option will be the right answer. Understood? In this way you have to do the question. Okay. Next question is, in combinational circuits, output depends on previous output, both previous output and present inputs and previous input. See, combinational logic circuits are circuits for which for which the present output depends only on the present input. It depends only on present input, right? There is no memory element in combinational circuit. There is no memory element to store the past output. Okay, it performs an operation that can be specified logically by a set of Boolean functions. And sequential case, in case of sequential circuits, what happens? That its output is determined by the present input and the past output. It has a memory element and a feedback part. If you will draw the, if this is your look. In case of sequential circuit, what happens? This is a combinational logic circuit, okay, right? And this is the memory and feedback part, right? And here this is the feedback part, right? And here it is input, here it is output, right? This is the positive feedback, and here this is the clock signal. Now this is the previous state. Okay, so this is the sequential circuit diagram, right? So here the memory elements are used as the flip-flops. That means this is the combinational circuit, this is the sequential circuit. That means in the combinational circuit, the output is determined by only the present inputs only. While in case of sequential circuit, its output is determined by the present input. This is the present input and the previous output. That means the past output values. In sequential circuit, there is no memory. Okay, there is no memory, no feedback path from output to input, while in case of uh, sequential circuit, it has a memory element and a feedback path from output to the input. ठीक है, combination में there is no memory. Combination circuits जो होते हैं, they are simpler in circuitry, and sequential में it's complex. ये complex होता है, जैसे एडर है, सब्ट्रैक्टर है, मल्टीप्लेक्सर है, डिकोडर, इनकोडर, डीमल्टीप्लेक्सर, these all are the combinational circuits. Latches, flip-flops, counter, shift registers, these all are sequential circuits. Latches, flip-flops, counter, shift registers. So what you have, the answer in combinational circuits, the output depends on previous output, no, both previous output and present input, no. ठीक है, it is the case of sequential circuit, only present inputs and previous input is the wrong answer. Next question is the expression A plus AC plus ACD plus ACDE plus up to this much is equal to C A 1 plus C plus CD plus CD, right? Now this means this is equal to how much? See, OR gate, this is, you know, this is the OR symbol, this is ORing operation. OR gate is a multi input single output gate. आपने OR का truth table पढ़ा होगा, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1. These are the two inputs A B and this is the output. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. That means when all the inputs to the gate are, its output will be 0 when all the inputs will be low. जब सारे inputs उसके low होंगे तभी इसका output 0 होगा. And for all other remaining combination of inputs, at least कोई भी एक इनपुट अगर इसका हाई हुआ, if any of the inputs will be high, जैसे यहाँ 0 1 में ये हाई है, ये हाई है, ये हाई, if any of the inputs will be high, the output will be logically high. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus x is 1, 1 plus a plus b plus c will be 1. So a, this will be equal to 1. So this will be the a. So this is the right answer. ये एक logical operation है. 1 plus c plus cd, this will be 1. Okay. Answer will be A, right? Next question is, in the given circuit diagram, a wire is joining points B and D. The current in this wire is C. जो आपकी current है C, this is the current, let it be I1, and this is the current, let it be I2. So you have current I is equal to V upon R, right? Now 1 4 and 2 3 C. जो आपका 1 4 है और जो 2 3 है, both are in parallel. This is 1 parallel to 4, this is 2 parallel to 3. This is 1 into 4 by 5, 4 by 5. This is 2 into 3 by 5. This is 6 by 5. So R equivalent will be what? R equivalent में आपको इसको short करना पड़ेगा. 4 parallel to 5 plus 6 by 5. ये इसके साथ सीरीज में हो जाएगा, ठीक है? Then it will be 10 by 5. That means it is 2. आपका सर्किट ऐसे ही तो होगा. इसको हमने शॉर्ट कर दिया वोल्टेज सोर्स. हमें क्या निकालना है? RTH. हमें निकालना है RTH, ठीक है? सॉरी, मतलब R इक्विवेलेंट निकालना है. तो यहाँ पे ये हो गया. अब आप देखिए फ्रॉम करंट डिवीजन रूल, जो I1 होगा, I1 इज इक्वल टू, यू हैव टोटल करंट I, राइट, इनटू I1 हमें 1 ओम के क्रॉस निकालना है. तो I अक्रॉस 1 ओम विल बी टोटल करंट IT इनटू 4 by 4 plus 1. तो टोटल करंट आपकी कितनी होगी? टोटल करंट, आपने टोटल करंट निकाली, IT is equal to V upon R. V is 20 and R is 2. That means 10 ampere. तो टोटल करंट is 10 into 4 upon 5. That means it will be 8 ampere. तो I1 तो 8 ampere, right? Similarly हमें I2 निकालना है. अब I2 कैसे निकलेगा? I2 will be I2 total current into 3 by 3 plus 2. तो टोटल करंट कितनी है आपकी? 10 एम्पियर. तो 10 into 3 by 5, 5 2 जा 10, that means 6 एम्पियर. तो यानी कि एक करंट I1 ऐसे जा रही है और एक करंट I2 ऐसे जा रही है. तो जो आपकी नेट करंट होगी, that will be equal to I1 minus I2. That means I1 minus I2. That means it will be how much? 8. I1 is 8 ampere and I2 is 6 ampere. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2 ampere. तो ये हो गया डेल्टा I. तो आपका आंसर 2 ampere. That means the second option is the right answer. Right? Next question है ये. The logic block shown has an output F given by C. इस क्वेश्चन में first of all आपको मॉर्गन थ्योरम पता होनी चाहिए. According to De Morgan's theorem, bar A and B are two inputs. Then bar A plus B is equal to bar A bar B. Bar AB equal to bar A plus bar B. Right? अब आप इसमें देखिए, यहाँ पे इस सर्किट में ये B बार होगा, ये B बार होगा. यहाँ पे इस सर्किट में ये A बार होगा. तो यहाँ पे ये X1 है, ये X2 है, राइट? एंड दिस इज F, ठीक है? तो ये F है. तो F की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी? ये आपका नॉर गेट है. दिस इज योर नॉर गेट, राइट? तो ये हो जाएगी बार ऑफ X1 प्लस X2. दैट मीन्स X1 इज हाउ मच? X1 कितना है आपका? अगर देखें आपका ये A बार जा रहा है और ये B बार जा रहा है, ठीक है? नॉर की टेबल देखिए, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. और की अगर टेबल देखें तो यहाँ पे 0, ये 1 1 1. तो नॉर की क्या हो जाएगा? 1 0 0 0. तो यानी कि इसका उल्टा हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे ये a बार जा रहा है, ये b बार जा रहा है, दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे कितना हो जाएगा, बार ऑफ बार a प्लस बार b, तो बार a प्लस b इक्वल टू बार a बार b, तो ये a b हो जाएगा। तो यहाँ पे ये तो x1 हो गया, और यहाँ पे इस नॉर में ये जो जा रहा है आपका ये a है, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा, बार ऑफ a प्लस b बार, तो बार a प्लस b इक्वल टू बार a बार b, तो ये हो जाएगा बार ए बी इक्वल टू, एक मिनट, बार ए प्लस बी था ना, तो बार ए एंड बार बी, बार ए एंड बार, 1 मिनट, ये था बार ए प्लस बी इक्वल टू बार ए बार बी, तो ये हो जाएगा ए बी बार ए बी, तो ये वैल्यू कितनी हो गई, ए बी प्लस ए बार बी, ये वैल्यू आप पुटिंग डाउन द वैल्यूज ऑफ x1 एंड x2, आपके पास ए बी प्लस ए बार बी आएगा, देन यू हैव b ऑफ a प्लस a बार, राइट, दिस इज योर b डॉट 1, क्योंकि a प्लस a बार इज 1, तो आपका b, तो आपका जो आउटपुट आएगा f का वो क्या आएगा, f will be equal to how much, f will be equal to b। तो मैंने आपको 5 क्वेश्चंस कराए हैं, इसको अच्छे से करिएगा, बहुत अच्छे क्वेश्चन है, रिवीजन टेस्ट हो रहा है, ठीक है। थैंक यू, इसको लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा, थैंक यू।